Nigga, I'm gonna come from the back end. I do it all the time. Just run it to 160, my nigga.
Let's go.
Yo YouTube, what's the deal with it, baby? Y'all see we out here in Mexico once again, man. Tonight we do got a dig race, one of Tone's tuned cars once again versus Fast Guys team. This is a dig race, so we're gonna go see what's going on right now. Make sure you guys are staying tuned for the rest of the video. Motherfucking car we racing tonight. Be a good ass run. 6Gen SS.
Time out there. Watch this. You gave us a hit with the Fox, we beat you, right? We went back and went head up with you, and you beat us. So, so don't act like you don't get the same races.
Exactly, I'm not gonna.
So now race might head up.
Hell no, I'm gonna get.
You already gave you the hit. You see, that's why we shouldn't have gave you that.
Bro, 6A versus
So why did we race you head up? And you out our league. You fucking beat us by 4 cars.
Bro, Mike, even if you give me the hit,
bro, we racing with an all-motor Mustang. They gave me the hit, we beat them.
Yeah.
For low dollar, watch this, low dollar.
Low dollar, 7 grand.
Low dollar. Then when we went back and came up, they fucking raised the pot.
No, you guys raced it.
No, you did.
No, we met you guys.
You didn't.
We're not that confident. Hell no. We met you guys.
How much y'all got right now?
What are we?
16.
He on race though. Where he at?
Next week. Yeah, Procharged.
Nah, he's always running from races. Where he at?
No, we're next week.
He left last time talking about the cops was coming. He wanted to pay that punk out because he wanted to get a real cop.
We paid it.
I know, but we wanted the real money. $500 worth enough for us.
Talking about that morning shit.
Nah, we be smacking this food.
Did
y'all flip for everything?
Oh no, we had a flip, right?
Oh yeah, flip for everything. Don't get
So let me for lane and flag. Well, a quarter. Who got a quarter? Victor! We're gonna flip for lane and flag, Kyle.
What's up, bro? You won a lot of races lately.
Bro.
Y'all won every fucking
So we're flipping. Oh, I did it.
Here, let me flip. Mutual first.
I'll flip.
No, you gotta be mutual.
Nigga, you bet with them, you're not with you.
Hey, check the quarter, man.
Check the quarter, man. They give it to me, so let me check.
Let her flip. Hey, let her flip.
Hey, they give it to me, so let me check it.
Hold on, I just got this shit for the bank.
Alright, so. Oh, this was good.
Here, flip this one.
Alright.
Mark, you got money on.
They give it to me. Who give me? You give it to me.
Don't worry about it. I got
It was his quarter,
My
too.
quarter though, then.
Yeah. Okay, this is for lane.
Wait, I want lane.
We're flipping for lane.
He won't left. What y'all want?
What do you want?
We want flagger.
Nah, nigga, that's what flipping for.
Oh, that's fine. We're flipping it. I get
We're saying if he gets it, he's gonna want left.
But just tell him to call it.
Okay, you call. I throw you. Whatever it is, count.
He's flipping, make the call in the air.
So this is for lane.
Whatever he does, make him call it.
I'm a flip. He calls the next one.
Whatever.
So what do you want? This lane or flagger?
Whatever.
Lane or flagger?
This is for lane. Make it call the air.
All right, you're gonna call for lane.
Don't call first. I'm telling you.
Bro, he's gonna call the next one or whatever. It's the same thing. You call first? This for lane. Whatever it hits, it counts. All right.
Call in there.
This for lane. All right, go.
Hell.
In the car.
Damn, son.
That's his. I see it from here. I got good eyes. He got left leg. I see it from here.
Okay, so you want lane, you want left lane. All right, we got it right. So this is for flagger. So you caught the flagger.
All right, let's do it on this one.
All right.
Wait, who got it? Who won?
Hey.
Heads.
Yeah.
Okay, who's gonna flag for you guys?
Eric gonna be the flagger, right?
So how you gonna flag?
He's gonna cover the light for you.
No covering, my boy.
No.
The flashlight over here.
Flash right here.
Where's the flashlight you're using?
I got stream light.
Let me see, bring it.
Do I point that in first or second? It's pointing in first.
No, ask him.
Make sure the glasses work.
You want to point at your glass or first?
Ah, I see the future, man. I lost.
So I'll point at him first.
First you, high beams, and then
I point at him first. He high beams me. I'll point at him. He high beams me. And I bang the right.
And that's it.
Well, you don't got to bang around. Well, you got 3 seconds to bang that bitch.
Yeah, it don't matter. Both cars are not that fast. We don't got that fucking traffic.
I got 2-step?
No 2-step.
So we're gonna check the cars out?
Go for it. You want to check ours?
What? You fucking jump, you lose one?
You jump, you lose. You cross in the back, don't matter. But you cross in the front, you lose.
Well, like that was like, let's just say hypothetically speaking, he's like 2 cars behind me and I cross in front.
You're not. He's not a return.
Let's just say, I'm just saying.
Don't lose. That's what they don't be there. Too close. They never, you know, they ain't no. I can tell you, talk. They ain't no fucking big race. Let's just do this. Let's just do this, right? If it crosses, don't affect the driver. It's a good race.
Yeah, that's what I said. If it crosses, it don't affect the
If it
driver.
don't
It's
affect the
alright.
driver, it's a good race.
If you break, you pay half. If you break,
What's after the first burnout?
everything? All right.
We got a 6-gen, that big bend now.
Sheesh. Ain't ready.
You guys prepping or just a puddle? We just gonna puddle it. What's up? Hey man, so we just gonna do a puddle more. Cause driver B just told me that's his product. He said don't set it. Oh, you puddle? Yeah. That shit look like. What the fuck is that? Nigga, what's the AC book right there? Nigga went lower pulley.
Y'all know what it is, man. Finna go out here and get it done in Mexico. Sheesh.
Wire tank to that motherfucker.
What you gotta do? You gotta do a little sniff test.
I just put 85, kid you not.
Got the tune car right here, 6Gen SS.
Oh, you got the socks too? Sick.
I should burn like 2 of them.
Oh, my boy George right here, man. Y'all see what it is? Yeah, it's the money maker right there. Sheesh. Color going crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let me know down in the comments, man, what y'all think of the race tonight. Finna go crazy. Finna see what's going on. Yeah. Got my boy Jumper Hellcat. This motherfucker look wild. Sheesh. Well, I come out of Mexico real soon, man. Make sure y'all stay in tune. Bandcamp shit, baby.
I look want to leave my car right here.
Yeah, like I said, man, another night in Mexico. It's finna get wicked, man. Make sure y'all stay in tune.
I got 6-gen.
Bro, you ready? Yeah. Tune, motherfucking win, man.
Hey, her. You don't give him a free burner?
No, he's gonna do 1 burner. You don't want to heat up the drive radio.
A little good burnout.
Let's get it! The fuck I'm talking about? Yeah! Let's go! Woo!
Yeah. What happened?
Come
on, man. What is it?
2 for the win.
You heard it. Hey, Matty finna come get his lick back for y'all that don't know
most
yet.
Definitely.
Because, hey, we got scammed.
It's cool, though.
We got scammed, but it's all good, man.
It's
We
all
know what it
good.
was. We already said it before the race and shit, so.
My car, dude, so he fucked
Hey,
himself over.
we gonna get some true FBO Camaro. It's gonna be a cold deal.
That's a good run, 50 and fast.
Yeah, that shit was so fast.
Yeah.
That's that tone touch. No way. Oh.
That was a good run. I'll fuck with you anyway.
Oh. This nigga got it.
All the Maryland's in Los Angeles.
Tap in.
Cal South Central, come fuck with me.
Sheesh.
Man, jump. Oh my God.
I think they moved at the same time.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Told you it was gonna be a race.
Yeah.
Now you gotta give us a race 6Gen against 6Gen.
We'll see. It's just catalyst. Stock manifold.
Stock manifold, catalyst.
14.
I'm just then taking in.
Here.
Hey, Tony wants to talk to you.
Your manifold.
15.
I should have took out my
And
That's 16. What's the deal, boy?
Of course.
He didn't give you this sauce, bro?
Most definitely.
He gave you the wrong sauce, guy.
Nah, bro. HP fast as fuck on dude.
What y'all trying to put? We ain't got enough for LOL.
He just fucking waxes it. That's what it should slip.
I got the cover.
Yeah. That's why I'm so wrong. I know what it is, man. Tone for the win. Throw it on there. Yep. Prep did what it did.
Or you driver B shit, you gonna hook and buck. If you'd have did 2, it'd have been ugly. Too hot. That nigga hit the hazards. I was laughing like this nigga just lost. That nigga hit the hazards like I was like this nigga just lost.
Y'all putting money on it or? Yep.
I don't even know the road yet.
Procharged vet and well I think Whipple Cam SS. We had ran this before all the Whipple and everything. It was just Cam. But they're gonna be getting a run. This car is right there. Y'all seen this car already on the channel, so you already know the deal with that. Like I said, this is SS Whipple. It is a convertible though, man. So we're gonna see, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a good ass race. This Camaro's fast as fuck, and that vet is pretty fast. So we're gonna see what's up right now. Hey man, who trying to side bet?
On this?
Yeah,
So who you got?
I got the vet.
Alright, bet this is 50 on. I got 650 on Bandits.
You gonna add another 50 to it?
Might have to do 100. Fuck it, come on.
All right, lock it in. Yes,
lock
sir.
it in. Let's do it.
Sheesh. What is they racing to?
I got a
What they racing to?
That's what I'm saying. I don't know the details.
You know?
Nah. You said you want to bet. You don't know the details.
Hey, fuck it. How much you got on it?
Yeah,
50 on it.
50?
This car straight?
Yeah, it should be.
Listen, y'all. Easy paper, watch it. They got the C7 versus the SS. Look, they both base models, LT1s. But you don't hear that motherfucker chop? Oh, this bitch chopped up 200. This
Yeah.
this time. Huh?
Yeah.
Did they barely get out?
More higher we go. fuck. I was spinning bad. I was actually shocked, bro.
Bro, you're saying that, nigga. You stopped at 100, nigga.
Well, like,
100 from 65, and I told you I don't want to do a 65. So you can't say that, my nigga. You sitting here thinking because you got the lead, nigga. I'm gonna come from the back end. I do it all the time. Just run it to 160, my nigga.
Y'all racing my freeway,
yeah. I'm like, why
Man.
exactly? This nigga trying to do short races. They try to hurry him and win, nigga.
My fault. What are you thinking?
My nigga, you went to. You didn't even give it a chance. Go to 160, then we'll see.
They do the whole.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you come back.
Nah, hell.
Just pull it back up. Got some more E up in that car. This motherfucker finna come up top. Got that big ass blower on it. Sheesh.
It ain't that serious.
Sheesh. Border patrol right over there. They don't know we going to Mexico illegally.
He's not coming back.